Okay, here's a quick tour of my craft room. I'm standing in the living room, and there's not crap on the floor. That's actually cat toys everywhere. So I painted it purple. This used to be my bedroom. I painted it purple. Can you see? Get a good shot of the color there. Purple and white. And pandas. Got my pandas. These are old prints I had. So this is kind of my panda room in addition to my craft room. And here's all my craft supplies on all my bookcases. Craft supplies, papers, and the top is my my panda friends. Do I have enough? Yes, I think I do. So my table is here, out in the open, so I don't have to face the wall, which I've always faced the wall, and I never really liked that. Filing cabinet, TV, so I can watch TV while I'm sitting crafting. And this is my grandfather's desk over here for, you know, non-crafting stuff. There is Monkey Noodle. Monkey Noodle, hi baby boy, say hi to Mary. And Tracy and whoever else is interested in seeing my craft room. Printer, I'm trying to keep the, free of clutter there. My Nana made me this panda years ago. I just put this little shelf up with all my old panda stuff that I had as a kid. And an old beaded purse that I got at a thrift store. Some silver mirrors. I put a shelf in the window for my bottles that are all pink and purple and blues. They're showing up as blue on camera, but believe me, they are vivid purple. Royal purple. That's so funny, they're showing up as blue. I haven't put anything on that shelf yet, so I have room to grow. I put that blanket there because I washed it, and I didn't want the cats to get on it because that's the pillow my mom's going to sleep on. I mean blanket. And of course, as you can see, there's a cat found it. I put that on the shelf so the cats wouldn't get on it, but guess what? Cats will always find stuff. My pandas that I've had since I was a kid. I'm going to hang up those little plastic butterflies. They've been on this wall before at a different place, but when it was a different room. You know, my purple room was down the hall. I don't know where I'm going to put these, but I'll put them up somewhere. Panda books. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. And then these are my teeny tiny little pandas. And Mary, you were with me when I bought those beads. Oops, too close to focus. Those are teeny tiny. You can sit 2 of those on a dime. That's how small they are. So, oh, hey, there's Finn. Hey, Finn. So anyway, here's my favorite thing is all my work. Papers, crafting papers, stuff like that. Some paintings I did. I didn't know where else to put those. Crafting stuff. These are all labeled. These are my different glues. And look, all my containers match. Oh, that was so hard to do because I had so many different kinds, but I got them all matching. You know, my paints, stamp pads, just stuff, you know. Finally, all organized. Ziploc bags for beading. When you're putting stuff in beads, that's all. Now here are all my beads. This bookcase there is only beads, except for the bottom shelf is going to be beading books, because I had room. And of course they're all organized by color. I have 4 purple. Big surprise, huh? This is the most organized I've ever been. And then this bookcase here, which is right next to my table. God, it's not focusing. Jeez. I sit here, and in arm's reach is like my clay stuff, little things, you know, like head pins, ring sizers, stuff that you wanted at arm's reach. Here's all my sharp tools, all my pliers and stuff. Down there, that's more clay stuff. Here's whips, work in progress. Stuff that I haven't quite finished yet. Oh, I got these at Mama's Minerals. Mary, you were with me when I bought these, remember? Chokers. So, you know, just stuff. Playing cards, that's for, use those when you make clay stuff. Use those a lot. That's why that's there. I have another shelf that goes right here that I just bought, and I'm going to add that so that these won't be sitting on top of each other. They'll be like this, all nice and organized. And my little friends. And my other little friends. Finny. Hey, handsome. You're just a big silhouette. Hi, monkey. And that's basically it. Koshka's over there. Oh, yeah, here's where I sit. And you may be wondering why I have two chairs. The reason I have two chairs is this. Monk? Yeah. If I sit here, within seconds, somebody reaches up and taps me on the leg, so I have to have a second chair because Monkey has to sit next to me when I'm sitting at the table. Yeah, ridiculous, but... And that's my craft room.